Kan ratusan ribu pelajar luar negara ini memilih Malaysia. Kenapa nggak milih Indonesia gitu kan? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan saya guys, Cak Mujib. Gimana nih kabar teman-teman semua? Semoga sehat selalu, dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa taala, dijauhkan dari segala mara bahaya, malapetaka, bencana dan bala serta berbagai macam penyakit. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke, kali ini kita akan mereaksi sebuah video yang sangat menarik nih guys ya. Bagaimana ribuan ataupun bahkan ratusan ribu pelajar luar negara ini memilih Malaysia. Kenapa nggak milih Indonesia gitu kan? Jadi jom kita simak videonya. Apa sih keistimewaan daripada pendidikan yang ada di Malaysia ini? Let's go.
3 alasan kenapa kalian harus banget kuliah di Malaysia. Yuk tonton video sampai habis, jangan lupa follow. Oke, alasan yang pertama, close to home. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian tiba-tiba sakit atau misalnya keluarga kalian ada yang sakit, kalian bisa tinggal pergi dan pulang semudah itu dari Indonesia ke Malaysia. Dan dari Malaysia ke Indonesia. Oke, alasan yang kedua, world-class university, yaitu di mana sistem pembelajaran, dosen-dosennya, dan juga semua fasilitas itu sudah diakui secara internasional. Bahkan nantinya ketika kita lulus, kalau untuk adik-adik yang S1, nama kita nantinya akan ada bachelor-nya. Dan untuk alasan yang ketiga, kalian bakal bisa fasih bahasa Inggris. Kenapa nih bisa bilang gitu? Karena bahasa Inggris sendiri itu bahasa kedua di Malaysia, jadi mereka memang speak bahasa Inggris. Jadi nanti ketika kalian kuliah, ketika kalian di luar lingkungan perkuliahan pun, kalian tetap dipaksa untuk menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Jadi aku yakin kalian bakal bisa fasih bahasa Inggris setelah lulus dari sini. Jadi udah mau belum join sama i3 di sini?
Boleh.
What made you choose Malaysia as an education destination?
Well, my father traveled to Malaysia before, a long time ago, and Malaysia is usually known for the Islamic finance too. So even back then, it was very famous for it. So I knew that I wanted to come here for either a master's, maybe I was thinking about maybe when I have my kids, hopefully in the future, because I want them to grow up in a Muslim environment. My parents did a very good job with that, even in the US. So I was thinking about what would be the best place for that. And I've always thought about Malaysia, especially since my dad spoke so highly of it. I was like, I want to come here at some point. Maybe it's going to be as a bachelor's, master's, but I knew I wanted to come here to see what it was like.
Do you know why Indian students choose Malaysia? Malaysia offers high-quality education with many universities that are in global rankings like QS and Times Higher Education. And more than 25 Malaysian universities are recognized internationally. Kuala Lumpur is ranked number 12 globally in the QS Best Student Cities in the 2026 ranking, making Malaysia one of the best destinations for international students. Malaysia also offers post-study visa options, allowing Indian students to stay and gain work experience after graduation. Meet with the TGS Study Steps team and university representatives in Malappuram, Calicut, Kannur, and Kochi. Join us for free counseling and choose the best universities for your future.
While some parents are spending their life saving to send their kids to US or Europe, other parents are being smarter and choosing Malaysia. A lot of us grow up thinking that UK and the US is the ideal go-to place for education. But that's not true anymore. Malaysia is becoming one of...
itu tidak benar gitu kan. Malaysia menjadi salah satu destinasi pengajian teratas di Asia. Keren.
the top study destinations in Asia. And it is home to one of the top-ranked universities in the world. In 2023, Malaysia had over 103,000 international students. And the goal by 2025 is 250,000 students. Students from over 160 countries are coming here. Why? Because Malaysia offers affordable high-ranked degrees, a super diverse and friendly environment, and a very warm weather throughout the whole year. So before you stress about studying in Europe or the US, remember this. Many students are already choosing Malaysia, and it might actually be the better choice.
3
reasons why international students choose to study in Malaysia. First, Malaysia is growing really fast, and I believe it will become an influential country in the future. So, the fact that I study and live here will be one of my strengths in my future career. Second, I feel like Malaysia gives many opportunities to international students. Of course, it depends on how much effort you put in, but I still think it's a place where foreigners can try many things and gain experience. Third, Malaysia is incredibly diverse. If you ever visited or lived here, you probably notice how many cultures and backgrounds exist in this country. As marketing student, I want to create advertisement that people from different cultures can relate to. So, living in a place where many cultures mix together feel like the right environment for me.
Salam guys, I'm Catherine. Today I'm gonna talk about why I study in Malaysia as a Chinese who come from China mainland. Okay, first of all, I am a Muslim. Actually, in China, if you wanna study in a non-Muslim area, it's a little bit inconvenient. Like sometimes you have to go out of your way. And in Malaysia, it's very easy and there's a lot of delicious halal food. Can you imagine that? My first time to try real authentic Korean and Japanese cuisine is in Malaysia when I was 18 years old. Yeah, I came here to study in UPN to do my bachelor degree. Wow, it was very delicious. My first time to eat sashimi because we don't have halal version of sashimi in China. Secondly, it's about the cost. Studying in Malaysia is quite affordable. Like the tuition fees and the cost of living are similar with China. And at the same time, the education quality is solid. The degree is recognized, so it feels like good value for money. And also safety is a very important thing, especially for my parents. Like compared to studying in other countries, Malaysia is safer and more stable. And especially the locals, they are very friendly and they are very enthusiasm. They are very open to help you no matter in the university or out of university. I think they have very high level of manner. So I stay here. If I stay here, I feel very comfortable. And also for those people who want to study abroad for a few years, that kind of peace of mind is really important as well. Next one is I came to Malaysia for a trip with my parents when I was young. So I had a very good impression about Malaysia because I really enjoy the hot weather and I really like beach and the sea and all of the thing. And also for a Chinese, there's not that much racism or because there's a lot of Malaysian Chinese as well. They are also very, very nice and it's very convenient to speak Chinese with them directly. Anyway, study here and living here just makes me feel very comfortable. I really enjoy the life in Malaysia. And those are just few reasons that why I want to study in Malaysia and continue my life in Malaysia. There's a lot of other reasons. Maybe we can talk about it next video.
Salah satu faktor utama ialah yuran pengajian dan kos sara hidup yang lebih berpatutan berbanding banyak negara lain. Selain itu, universiti di Malaysia menawarkan program bertaraf antarabangsa dengan kemudahan moden serta pensyarah yang berpengalaman. Malaysia juga terkenal sebagai sebuah negara yang aman, masyarakatnya mesra dan mempunyai kepelbagaian budaya yang memudahkan pelajar antarabangsa menyesuaikan diri. Tambahan pula, penggunaan bahasa Inggeris yang meluas dalam institusi pengajian tinggi menjadikan proses pembelajaran lebih mudah untuk pelajar dari pelbagai negara.
I'm from Turkmenistan. Why do you should study in Malaysia? Because I wanted to get a high education and also I wanted to explore the world and see different countries and also look around and explore the world. What was your first impression about Malaysia? Of course, it was a little bit difficult and unforgettable because the first, it's like you take your responsibility of yourself and you don't have a family, parents. For the first year, it wasn't so easy. It was a little bit difficult, but now I like the Malaysia. But first impression about Malaysia was unforgettable.
Mantap.
Why do you choose to study in Malaysia? I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from Sudan. I'm from Timor-Leste, Egypt.
I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from Sudan.
I'm from Turkmenistan. I am from Tanzania. I chose Malaysia because the visa process is easy. It's a safe country.
Visanya mudah ya.
Because of its high quality education, also I want to learn and experience many things in this country as well. Because it is way affordable here than other countries, and also the community is like very friendly and welcoming.
I came to study in Malaysia. There's no specific reason. I was actually working part-time, not part-time, full-time. And I thought Malaysia is a good country because a lot of my friends were going and it had a good diverse culture from Muslims to other religions and a lot of Indian, Bangladeshi, Pakistani and Arab people. So I thought Malaysia is a good place to study since it has a good diverse culture.
Because there's a good university here. It's a nice country with nice people here to know. That's all. That's the main thing.
because I wanted to get a high education.
Yeah.
And also I wanted to explore the world and see different countries and also look around and explore the world.
It's affordable, but still provides high quality education.
Keren.
Just Big Boss.
Oh no, not the Big Boss.
Big Boss. Why foreigner student might choose Malaysia among all other countries?
So Malaysia has a lot of universities that actually rank among the top universities in the world. Some programs that our universities offer is actually a very high ranking.
That's actually so true. And this is one of the university with high ranking program. When I just came to Harriet University, I couldn't stop thinking how much I do enjoy the student vibe here, which really motivates me to study hard. I saw the student facilities and I think I found the perfect ways for everyone to get their Scotland certificate in Malaysia.
Hai guys, aku orang Indonesia yang lagi kuliah di Malaysia. Banyak yang nanya sama aku, Kak, kenapa sih milih Malaysia buat kuliah? Oke, aku jelasin ya. Alasan aku pilih negara Malaysia buat kuliah adalah karena menurut aku kualitas pendidikan di sini tuh bagus, tapi masih terjangkau dibandingkan dengan negara-negara lain. Terus banyak universitas di sini itu udah diakui secara internasional, jadi gelarnya itu masih punya value global. Terus aku milih Malaysia buat kuliah karena dekat sama Indonesia ya guys. Jadi buat misalnya aku pengen pulang ke Indonesia itu masih oke, nggak terlalu jauh dan nggak terlalu jauh juga dari keluarga. Tapi aku masih punya pengalaman buat tinggal di luar negeri karena emang aku pengen nyobain experience tinggal di luar negeri dan hidup kayak independence or mandiri gitu guys. Terus bahasa juga jadi salah satu alasan aku kuliah di sini karena mostly orang-orang di Malaysia itu udah menggunakan bahasa Inggris buat kehidupan sehari-hari mereka. Jadi aku bisa ngembangin skill bahasa Inggris aku juga. Dan juga Malaysia itu multicultural banget guys, dan orang-orangnya tuh diverse banget. Aku bahkan ketemu sama teman-teman aku dari negara-negara lain yang aku bahkan belum pernah dengar nama negara-negaranya. Jadi aku juga mulai belajar buat beradaptasi, ketemu sama orang-orang dari banyak atau mancanegara. Dan yang paling penting, last but not least adalah karena menurut aku biaya hidupnya tuh relatif masih terjangkau dibandingkan dengan biaya hidup di negara-negara lain yang gunain bahasa Inggris kayak Australia, UK, England, dan lain-lain. Menurut aku pribadi, Malaysia itu balance antara kualitas pendidikan, pengalaman hidup di luar negeri, dan biaya hidupnya. Sekian, bye-bye guys.
Alright guys, gila. Jadi memang ribuan, ratusan ribu pelajar dari mancanegara memilih Malaysia gitu loh guys ya. Banyak banget, dan itu banyak negaranya. Sampai istilahnya saya baru dengar gitu kan, negara-negara mana ini, ini gitu loh guys ya. Dan ya kalau kita tidak melihat bagaimana perkembangan di luar negeri sana ataupun negara-negara itu, kita tidak bisa tahu bagaimana istilahnya kualitas pendidikan di suatu negara itu sendiri guys ya. Jadi bisa dikatakan mereka lebih memilih Malaysia daripada negara-negara lain, yang mana mungkin Malaysia ya keistimewaannya itu banyak gitu. Keistimewaannya Malaysia menjadi university yang ranking dunia, terus gaya bicaranya ataupun gaya hidupnya lebih bagus daripada negara-negara lain yang ya memang notabene mereka ya non muslim lah seperti itu, yang mana istilahnya negaranya itu jorok dan lain sebagainya, nggak cebok dan lain sebagainya gitu kan. Nah gini guys ya, Malaysia itu terkenalnya dengan kebersihannya, Malaysia itu keramahannya, Malaysia itu terkenal dengan hal-hal baiknya gitu loh guys ya kepada pelancong, bagaimana kehidupan di sana itu keamanannya gitu loh guys. Berbeda halnya dengan negara lain yang mana negara sana itu ya tahu sendiri lah gitu kan, ada penembakan lah, ada istilahnya kriminal-kriminal yang mungkin di luar jangkaan mereka seperti itu. Sedangkan di Malaysia itu menawarkan banyak hal yang mungkin tidak ada di negara lain seperti itu ya guys. Kalau menurut saya sih oke-oke saja gitu loh guys. Saya juga pengen juga sih istilahnya ke Malaysia juga gitu kan. Meskipun istilahnya merasakan saja bagaimana sebenarnya kehidupan di sana. Dan kalau kita tengok daripada mahasiswa Indonesia yang tinggal di sana, mereka pada betah, dan ketika pulang ke Indonesia, minda mereka ataupun pemikiran mereka itu berbeda dengan kita guys, lebih maju gitu loh guys ya. Makanya istilahnya sangat-sangat menjanjikan sekali ketika kita istilahnya mempunyai generasi-generasi muda yang tinggal ataupun yang kuliah di sana gitu loh guys ya, karena bisa membangun juga istilahnya pengalaman-pengalaman yang berbeda. Jadi bisa menerapkan lah istilahnya apa yang ada di Malaysia untuk diterapkan di Indonesia seperti itu ya guys ya. Dan ya belajar, sama-sama belajar itu sangat-sangat menguntungkan gitu. Intinya kalau kita dalam kehidupan biasa belajar ya udah enak hidup kita, tapi kalau kita istilahnya bodoh amat dengan ilmu, bodoh amat dengan pendidikan, maka di situ kita akan tertinggal seperti itu ya guys. Makanya di Malaysia itu pendidikannya bagus karena pemerintahnya memikirkan bagaimana supaya minda masyarakatnya itu berkembang, bukan seperti di sini yang istilahnya pendidikan ya agak menurun lah kalau menurut saya. Maksudnya kualitas pendidikannya itu berbeda dengan negara-negara lain lah gitu guys ya. Oke, itu dulu videonya. Terima kasih sudah tinggal video ini sampai selesai guys. Jangan lupa like, share, comment, subscribe. Saya pamit untuk diri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.